Hi guys, I'm here walking alongside the Lagunitas Creek in Northern California, a major spawning site for coho salmon. But this environment has been changing, and not always for the better. A little ways up the creek, some Girl Scouts are working to do something about it. It's a great day to be out in the sunshine, and these Girl Scouts know it.
Yeah, I love being outdoors.
Sunny skies, green views everywhere you look, even a nearby creek. What more could you ask for? Well, how about the chance to help an endangered fish?
The salmon are an endangered species. It means there's not very many of them left.
Coho salmon swim in this very river in San Geronimo, California. And this scout troop wants to make sure it stays that way.
We're just so happy to have y'all's help today.
They're volunteering with SPAWN, the Salmon Protection and Watershed Network, alongside restoration scientist Jonathan Applebaum.
The habitat restoration that the Girl Scouts are helping us with today is designed to restore habitat conditions for both the salmon and other wildlife.
Kimberly Miller heads up the Girl Scouts Green by Nature program.
What we're trying to do is expose girls to all the different efforts to conserve and have impact on the environment.
Habitat is key to the coho's continued survival in this creek. It's one of only a few in this region to support healthy fish populations.
Many streams in the Bay Area no longer have spawning at all, and some have far fewer fish.
Threats to salmon, like over-harvesting, are something these young women, like Leah Dinate, aren't just here to learn about, but do something about too.
It's important because it helps save all the animals that we care about.
SPAWN intern Kelsey McInnes helps organize volunteer efforts like this one.
It's important that we make sure that this habitat is preserved for the salmon and also for our future generations to enjoy it.
Today, it's about saving the salmon by getting this area back to its natural state. First up, that means clearing out this stuff.
Himalayan blackberry is very aggressive, and once it gets established, almost nothing else can grow there. We're having them trim the blackberry. We'll also come in and dig out the roots so that we can replace it with native species.
No roots left behind. It's no easy task. Then there's pulling other pesky weeds.
Chop, 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 and then pull them out.
It's all work that requires gloves, tools, and as high school junior Emily Estelita knows, a careful hand.
It's a lot of work, but it's worth it because I like seeing, because when you clear out everything, then you see all the work that you've done, so it's really nice to see all that come together.
Next up, it's time to fill in some of the spaces left behind.
The Girl Scouts will be planting a few dozen native plant species.
Okay, I'm putting on my gloves to get ready to dig in and get dirty.
This is called a sticky monkey flower.
So just what do they hope these plants do?
By planting native species, we do what's really beneficial for the salmon. That's keeping the soil on the uplands where it belongs and out of the streams.
This is a sticky monkey plant, which is native to this area, and I'm planting it to keep out rocks and wood chips and make it healthy. High school freshman Natalie Estelita has her hands full too.
I think it's really important to keep our earth clean and stuff. It's like where we live, and so it's better to help out so that you're more involved.
And we want our youth to grow up really feeling that sense of responsibility and stewardship.
Well, planting looks good. Now let's give a little something to the roots. And it's a job well done.
Yeah, I like helping the environment, and then this was a great way to do it, helping the land and the salmon in the water.
So from digging up plants that don't belong to planting ones that do, these girls are doing their part to save an endangered species that they all hope is around for years to come.
It's our hope to have a very healthy native community here in the matter of a few years, and to slowly see the number of coho salmon recover back towards what it historically was in the stream.
Thank you, Jonathan, everybody. Thank you,
Thank you. We can't do it without you. Thank you.
Yay, salmon.
Yay, Girl Scouts.